Now that we're done eating, what do you want to do now? Well, we could go out and see there's bandits around here since, yeah, we're the only friends here, yes. Okay. Oh, that's my sword. Let's go. You will need that, don't you? No. What is it? Oh no, what the? We're bandits. Run! What's how you alive? Run! My flower, it's gone. It's gone. My flower. Is something wrong? Why are you guys screaming? Ow, 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 ow. What do you like, miss? Chasing us, that's why we were screaming. Gotta do something about it. Are you alright? Wait, there's bandits here? Yes, there is. What? Dead people came alive and turned into bandits. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, everyone get to safety. What was going on? We have to get out of here. Why? There's bandits coming. What? More bandits? Yeah. Go.